goodness,
Steph Curry
hurt his ankle coming out of the pack. Oh, this is just heartbreaking is all I can say.
This kid's going to be the best kid in the world. This kid's going to be somebody better than anybody ever knew.
In the 2009 NBA Draft, the Golden State Warriors select Stephen Curry from Davidson College.
They switch, knowing who they're guarding.
Curry fires away and hits the three. Curry from the corner, another. They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! From half court. It's gone! He banks. Curry from half court. It's gone! He banks it in! Curry, way downtown, bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! Curry for three, nails it. 10 3-pointers, back-to-back games with 10 threes. Oh, it's good! The Curry eruption continues. A tie game. Wow. First layup, banks it in, and a foul. His layup is good.
EA Sports. To the game.